number 6. You could pick number 6. Joey don't fit no script, but she picked number 6. Flip down the script, Cruise helped her with it. You can't get no grip when the scales start to tip. Big T-Biz on the bit, we doing time for some shit.